Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have 50 important biology MCQs. How many can you answer correctly? Test your knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational quizzes. What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which organelle controls cell activities? Nucleus. What is the process by which plants make food? Photosynthesis. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Which pigment gives plants their green color? Chlorophyll. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Ribosome. What is the study of living organisms called? Biology. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. How many chromosomes do humans normally have? 46. Which molecule carries genetic information? DNA. What is the basic unit of heredity? Gene. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? O negative. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? AB positive. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Which vitamin is mainly produced by sunlight exposure? Vitamin D. Which mineral is important for strong bones? Calcium. What is the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. Which blood cells fight infection? White blood cells. Which blood component helps in clotting? Platelets. What is the largest bone in the human body? Femur. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which organelle contains digestive enzymes? Lysosome. Which organelle is found only in plant cells and carries out photosynthesis? Chloroplast. Which part of the cell controls the movement of substances in and out? Cell membrane. What is the jelly-like substance inside a cell called? Cytoplasm. Which kingdom includes bacteria? Monera. Which process produces two identical daughter cells? Mitosis. Which process produces gametes? Meiosis. What is the male reproductive cell called? Sperm. What is the female reproductive cell called? Ovum. What is the fusion of sperm and egg called? Fertilization. What is the scientific name of humans? Homo sapiens. Which system controls body functions using hormones? Endocrine system. Which hormone regulates blood sugar? Insulin. Which organ filters blood to produce urine? Kidney. Where does most digestion and nutrient absorption occur? Small intestine. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Which process releases energy from food? Respiration. Which scientist is known as the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. Which scientist proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Charles Darwin. Who discovered cells? Robert Hooke. What is the movement of water through a selectively permeable membrane called? Osmosis. What is the movement of particles from high to low concentration called? Diffusion. Which tissue carries water in plants? Xylem. Which tissue carries food in plants? Phloem. What is the process of water loss from plant leaves called? Transpiration. Which organelle stores water and other substances in plant cells? Vacuole. What is the main source of energy for most life on Earth? Sun. Thanks for watching. How many questions did you answer correctly? Comment your score below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational quizzes.